Hey everyone, it's Ashley here from the Recipe Rebel, and today we're making soup. If you've been following me for any length of time, you know that I am a big soup lover. Today we're making hamburger soup. It might not sound that exciting, but it's one of my favorites and perfect for these cold days. We're gonna start by adding our ground beef and onion right into this big Dutch oven we have here. So I like to use lean or extra lean ground beef because there's not a lot of extra fat in it. If you use a regular ground beef or you notice that there is some fat in the bottom of the pan, you might want to drain that off before you add in your spices. Once our ground beef is totally brown and our onions have cooked down, we're gonna add in our spices. We have Italian seasoning, garlic, salt, tomato paste, black pepper, and just a little bit of red chili flakes. If you prefer not to use the chili flakes, that's totally fine. I find it gives it just a little bit of heat. So now that our spices have toasted up in the pan, we're gonna add the rest of our ingredients. Potatoes, celery, and carrots. Our liquids are chicken broth and diced tomatoes. I'm using chicken broth in this recipe even though it has ground beef in it because I find that beef broth has a really strong flavor and I prefer to use chicken. You can use chicken broth or beef broth, it's totally up to you. So now that all of our ingredients are in the pot, we're going to bring it to a simmer and then we're gonna cover it and cook just until the potatoes and carrots are tender. This can take anywhere from 15 to 25 minutes depending on how big your pieces are. Let's take a look. So all of our vegetables are tender and the soup is ready. It's dinner time.